In prime time news this evening, earthquake rattles sections of the country. Lobby group urges government to respect rights of Haitian refugees. And crisis in the coffee sector, we explore in a TVJ News In Focus report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, everything is going digital, including money, but some persons have not yet started to use their digital wallets. What experts have to say about that later in the business day.
Have you ever tried it?
No, I don't have one.
Oh.
At all. So I'm one of those people. And Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's to come in sports. No digital wallet there.
Not at all, Archie. I tell you what, the Reggae girls, though, have a crucial match against Panama in the CONCACAF W Gold Cup qualifiers. It's a second-string team, so it's going to be a tall ask for them. But Coach Xavier Gilbert is exuding confidence. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
They can more. They have this. They have this. They have
They
this.
actually have
They have this. They have this. Just like Romaine has a preview of the weather reports and forecasts.
With good news.
The good news is that we do have some shower activity still expected to be lingering across the island over the next couple of days. Slightly cooler temperatures as well. We do have a weak frontal trough that is in the general area, but by Friday and Saturday we're expecting things to warm back up, and we're also expecting stronger winds on the weekend.
Yeah, I'm going to call that good news. 2 days in a row, you're doing well. And we also have E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Okay. Did you feel the earthquake? Well, there was an earthquake, so this is why we're asking, did you feel the earthquake today, and did you follow the emergency protocol?
I showed up where I was supposed to show up, but I want to hear what everyone else has to say. You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.